What size engine's this again?
4.7.
Oh yeah. All right.
4.7, you know,
Yeah.
apparently common problem.
Down there on the ground is the tensioners.
No, those are the timing chain guys, not tensioners.
Oh, okay. Can I pull this out?
Tensioners are still there. Those are timing chain guides.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. It's got loose bolts and everything. Oh shit. See this? Try and move that.
Well, yeah, that's part of your timing guide. Holds the timing guides in there.
That's actually pretty tight.
That one.
Oh look, it's got metal chunks of shit in
You
here.
got the other two chains in the back.
Here, can I pull this out?
I gotta clean it out anyways.
Alright. Damn, and it was running like that. Holy shit. Here, I'll
Part
put
of
it
the guide.
with your parts. Oh, you got another chain up in here.
Got two chains back there.
Oh, there you got a little bit of a problem. I don't know if you can see that.
Common problem on the 4.7.
Alright. Damn, you're a smart guy. Here's a... I don't know what the fuck that is. David,
Oh,
say hi.
no.
Alright. I'm gonna post it later.